Okay, I'm sorry for the background noise. This is a 2009 Jeep Grand Cherokee. See it right there. Alright. And I'm gonna do the bearing. This is right here. One over there. One over here. Let's get it. 19. $35. 2009 Grand Cherokee, right front bearing. Holla at your boy. Hey, how you doing, guys? Astu is back. I'm back. How y'all doing? I hope you're doing great. This was a video how to replace the right front bearing assembly on a 2009 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Alright, I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy. On the other hand, shoot the out of the subscribe button, do that for me. Shoot the out of the like button, do that for me. Share this video. Maybe you know someone with a Jeep Grand Cherokee, give it to them. And the most important thing, besides of subscribing to my channel, is you have to leave your feedback. Know what I'm saying? Anything you need to say, any comment, any feedback, anything related to this vehicle, put it in the comment box for me. Do that for me. I would appreciate it. Show your love, show your support, and shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Yeah, I mean, and all you gotta do now is, once you finish everything, road test it, look for any grinding noise or any uncommon noise, and if you don't hear anything, then you all set, you're good to go. Alright, I'm just gonna leave it right here. I'll catch you in the next one. Holla at your boy, you know what time it is. Alright, I'm clocking out. I'm out.